Hey there, everybody. My name's Corey Windler. I hope you're all enjoying your summer. A little bit about me. This is my last class in order to be done with my administration certification. I got my bachelor's degree from Wichita State in sports administration. I got my master's degree from Wichita State in education. And now I'm working on this certification, and this is my last class, and I'm really excited about that, and I cannot wait for it to be over. No offense. I still work at Mays Middle School in Mays, Kansas. I've been really enjoying that. Last year was my first year there. It was good for me to see how different things are coming from Wichita School District to a more urban school district. There's definitely a lot of differences. What is important to school community relations? I think there's a lot of things that are important to school community relations, but I think that the biggest thing is communication. Just like it is with your family or any other business entity, communication is extremely important, especially with parents. I understand that there's other aspects of being in community relations and having community relations with other businesses, things like that, but I think ultimately it comes down to the kids. And if you are successful with the parents, you're going to be successful with a lot of other businesses in the area, and especially if you're trying to get funds and things like that. I think many of us have dealt with parents that have been upset and things like that, and once they know that you're all in for their kid, it seems like that changes a lot of things about how you communicate with them and what goes on with how they react to you. If they know that you really care about their kid and they can truly see that, they're gonna do things for you, and they're gonna chill out a little bit. And we've all dealt with parents being in education, and obviously they're our biggest stakeholders, so we have to definitely work with them. Some ideas that could improve community relations. As far as parents go, you can have family fun nights, meet the teacher nights, things like that. Obviously, it kind of depends on the clientele you're dealing with. If you're dealing with little kids, the opportunities are going to be a little bit different than they would be for high schoolers. So those are some things. Also, with businesses, I mean, there's a huge, especially in an urban area, you've got to foster those relationships. Those businesses can give you a lot of things and help you to pay for a lot of things as far as foundations and things like that go. And as an administrator, that's extremely important. So, but I think ultimately everything comes back to that kid. If you focus on the kids and what's best for kids, you're going to be more successful than you ever would be with anything else. So, like I said, most important thing I believe is communication, and I look forward to finishing this class up. Have a good one.